Hey, come on, the video is starting now. Let's go. Hi, welcome back to my channel, Witching Around with Leslie. If you haven't subscribed already, go do so. That way we can hurry up and get started with this unboxing. I got a surprise box with my name and address, and it says Eyequad on it, which is makeup. Shipping, it just says some group. It doesn't say any business that I recognize, so hopefully I'm not about to show y'all something bad. It's an Eyequad, it's makeup, so it doesn't say anything on the box, small box. So did y'all go subscribe? Cool, thank you. Okay, so let's get started in opening this box. Let's see what kind of shenanigans we can get in this time. How do you open this thing? Okay, right here. What is it? What is it? Okay, so it is... Ooh. Well, now. I don't know if y'all got to see it very well, but... So, Tom Ford. So this is Tom Ford Eyecolor Quad in Nude Dip. Okay, I'm gonna read y'all this. Oh, it's from Influenster. Influenster, see that at the bottom? Ooh, so this is like what, a Voxbox, but a Tom Ford box. Look at this. The TF. Okay. Yeah, this is some bougie stuff. I didn't even brush my hair, and we got this bougie stuff going on here. So let's go ahead and read about it, and then we'll take a look at it and see what's going to happen with all that. Okay, I haven't even tried this stuff, and I'm already impressed. So these are, I don't know if these are all the colors they offer in it or just some of them. I thought I saw one time that had a dark, like a black in there, but I could be mistaken because I don't have any Tom Ford and I'm not that familiar with Tom Ford, except I know that it is expensive, and this really turned into me not brushing my hair with some bougie ass stuff. Tom Ford Eyecolor Quad in Nude Dip. God. Okay, it makes me want to eat it already. An eyeshadow quad designed with 4 opulent complementary shades that achieve multiple looks, from a bold, smoky eye to a sexy ooh la la slash of color and everything in between. Formulated with advanced color processes, the 4 luxurious finishes: sheer sparkle, right up my alley; satin, shimmer, and matte offers, oh, it's all up my alley. What am I talking about? Offer a spectrum of intensity and effects, delivering incredible shade fidelity and outstanding adhesion. 2 custom applicators included. That is like the most luxurious and glamorous sounding makeup description I've ever heard for just 4 eyeshadows. Like, wow. I like the way that was written. Pro tip: select eye color quads can be worn both wet and dry. I mean, a lot of can, but I wonder if this is like a special... I'm just gonna have to find out. Look for the Tom Ford logo imprinted on the powder formula to know if your favorite quad can be applied both wet for a bold effect and dry for a soft sheer finish. They're like, wow. I hope I get some wet ones. I need some wet ones. Next steps. Oh, this just tells you what to do now with your influencer. To get the box, I just like take survey. Like I took a quiz. They call them the opt-in quizzes or whatever, and it'll ask you if you're interested in such products. Like, ask you all kinds of questions, depending on what you're interested in. This one's about beauty. Sometimes it'll be about food, stuff like that. And there's an app, and basically they want you to write reviews, or like post on your social media, like a review of it or a picture review of it. You must disclose in all online posts and reviews that you receive this product complimentary. So they're not asking you to say that it's to only put a good review. They just want the review. The first one I ever received was a Perricone MD exfoliating mask. So yeah, it was pretty darn good actually. And then other times I've received some juices. One juice was it was an organic juice, and it hadn't even come out of the stores yet when we tried it, and we liked it. And then shortly after, we saw it at the stores, and we started buying it for a while until our son outgrew that juice box things. So, and then the other one wasn't so good, so we didn't do that one. And now this one. Oh, one time I received some black hair dye, which I could not. I don't do my hair black, and it's just too far-fetched for me. That would be so hard for me to get the dye out to do my usual colors and stuff. So I just couldn't go there. But I think, I mean, they're free, and all you have to do is give them a little bit of time and effort for the review, and it seems pretty fantastic. And I haven't even opened this one yet, and I'm all like, they're fantastic. But I mean, I do like them actually, and you know, not everybody's gonna love every single product they get. You know, some people love it more than others. I'm sure other people love the juice, the other juice that we got. It just wasn't for us. So enough with that. I will go ahead and put the links and stuff for Influenster Voxbox down below, and I will also tell you more about the product in the description. So let's get this out. Okay, pretty. It's like a smoky charcoal gray. Very pretty. So with the sticker, the TF sticker. Okay, so they packaged it pretty well. You know me and packaging. Pay attention to packaging very well, and I do judge because of packaging. Okay, so here it is. And let's see. This is what you see when you first open it. Sorry, I can't afford Tom Ford. I think this doesn't tell you the price or anything, but I know I've looked these up before, and I think I saw them for about $45 on some website, and then the cheapest I found was on eBay for like $35. So these are not cheap products, but I think they go for like $88 on the site. Okay, so it's a black and gold. I couldn't see that well. It even has a bougie design. I don't even know how to open it. Oh, I was trying to take this gold thing up, and here it is. So which ones are the emblems? Look for the Tom Ford logo imprinted on the powder formula to know if your favorite quad can be applied both wet or dry. They all have the logo on it, so they can both use wet and dry. It came with, even the little plastic cover is different. Like most palettes have just the plastic sheet. Well, this one has, like, it actually fits in it, like, yeah, like almost. It's a really good idea. It seems like it would eliminate some like package issues, like you know, cracking or breaking or just getting unsettled in the. There it is with the thing off. Getting unsettled in the shipping. So there's a little bit of a touch right there, but I think it's from this. hard for you to see, but it's like texturized. Like you don't see a lot of eyeshadows texturized like that. This is Tom Ford up here. Nice big mirror. This is a very pretty palette. Like just the packaging alone is bougie. Here are the little brushes. Little applicator brushes, sponges, and then this one is an actual brush. So, okay, that's something that people don't include anymore. Everything always has brushes in it only, which those are said to pick up some of the best pigment. So I'm very impressed with this Voxbox. This is probably the best one with this influencer box. I would give my reviews and post it on probably Instagram. And yeah, I'm very happy with it. So if this is something that you would be interested, I will include the link below. I'm not sure if I have one affiliated with my name or not. And thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Be safe.